Hello, civilians. How are you? Hope you are doing good. Civilians, if you want to learn A to Z about quantity surveying and want to become a professional quantity surveyor with your job and with your study, so this video is for you only. In this video, we will tell you how you will become a professional certified quantity surveyor from your home, right, guys? Because we are going to start a new batch online quantity surveying course in which you will get live online classes plus recorded videos in our applications. Know more about this course, then please stay tuned. Hello, civilians. Civilians, myself, Arvind Singh, and I have more than 18 plus year experience. Become a quantity surveyor. In 18 years, I had worked in India and abroad also. So, guys, many of our civilians want to become a professional quantity surveyor. But before we start, and we will inform you about this course, we will tell you what is quantity surveying and what comes under the quantity surveying. So, guys, quantity surveying is a department in which we have to work three departments basically: estimation, billing, and tendering. Estimation department is the initial position where our a fresher engineer works as a quantity surveyor. He will take off the quantities from the drawing, he will prepare BBS, he will make a rate analysis, and all these things he will do in as a estimator, right? Then after that, when he have a 2 to 3 years experience, he will move in billing, and then 5 to 7 years later he will move in tendering. So these are the three stages in which engineers work as a quantity surveyors. So all these three comes under quantity surveying. So guys, if you want to become a professional quantity surveyor, we have a professional course for you in which you will learn A to Z about quantity surveying in English, our live online classes. You will get also recorded videos with 2 years validity, a certificate course, a certificate also, and we will provide you all these things at very affordable charges. So if you are it doesn't matter from where you are, if you want to learn quantity surveying in English, you may join us in our live online classes. So guys, in this course we will teach you everything about the quantity surveying, like estimation, billing, and tendering. But before we will tell you the course syllabus, we will like to say that you just download our application from Google Play Store. Our application name is PIFCE. You will get the link in this video description also. Either you use Android or either you use iOS. So guys, if you want to learn, or either you can visit our website, which is www.pifce. Here you will get online course, right? Online live course about the A to Z about quantity surveying, right? A to Z about building quantity surveying, and the course fees is very reasonable, which is only 12,000 rupees. You can join our live classes, and you also get online recorded videos in our application. All these things you will get in our application, right? So guys, period will be 30 days. Schedules Monday to Thursday. Timing we will discuss as with our group, and we will conduct the classes. Time duration will only 1 hour per day. Special doubt class we will conduct on Sunday 10 a.m. as per IS, Indian Standard Time. Course key features are online live classes through PIFC application. Means we will conduct our live classes in our application where our trainee can join. Online live interaction with the trainer, because we will teach you this course with two-way communication where you can ask your doubt with your trainers immediately when you have a doubt during the class, right? Daily doubt class, solving session. In every class we will give you 10 minutes in the first time when you join us. In that time you may ask your doubt with your trainer, right guys? Next, timing training certificate you will get after completion of this course. You will get notes, project drawings, assignments, all in our applications. Recorded videos, as we said, you will get in our application for 2 years validity. Lifetime doubt class and job assistance we will provide you. Special preparation for job interview, we will give you special trainings on Sunday class. Training will be provided as per the industry standards, IS code, DSR, PWD norms, FIDIC contract condition, and SMM7 codes we use during this training, right? So other special features are, you will learn how to read architectural structural drawing, how to make estimation, how to make billing, how to make tendering. IS codes and CPW norms, we will teach you all those things which you required for estimation, billing, and tendering purpose. Schedules of rate, you will learn to prepare rates for different civil construction materials. FIDIC's contract condition, we will teach you about FIDIC also, SMM7, BIS also, AutoCAD and Excel. We use these two software when we do this course, right? Next, this course syllabus is very vast. If you can read here all the topics which we are going to cover in this course, especially from estimation part, billing part, each and every topic we will cover, which will help you to establish yourself to become a professional estimator, billing engineer, and tendering engineer. Each and everything we will cover in this course. The course syllabus, you see the vast syllabus. In tendering, we will teach you how to prepare tender documents, what are GCCs, SCCs, guarantee clauses, what are the technical documents we need to prepare a tender, how we will search online and offline tenders, how we will prepare biddings, right? How we will find our right contractor for our contracts, brief about contract and FIDIC contract conditions, brief about SMM7 and BIS also. And in this course, we will give you basic to advanced course content, live online interactive classes, international level course content, international work experience will teach you, course completion with the software, as we said, or AutoCAD and Excel we use during this course. Gulf based live project we will give you, so that you can use or you can implement what your skills in this project, what you have learned in classes, you can implement those things and those knowledge in this project, right? Next, you will get training certificate after completion of this training. So guys, if you want to become a professional quantity surveyor, so you may join us our online live classes. If you want to join these classes, then definitely you should have to download our application PIFCE. As we said, you will get iOS and Android link in this video description also. It doesn't matter from where you are. If you are a civil engineer, if you want to learn quantity surveying, then definitely you should go for this course at very short time, at very affordable course fees. You will become a professional quantity surveyor. In this video, we will like to end here. So guys, if you have if you have any other doubt, you can call or WhatsApp at a given number in screen, which is 8447936087. So guys, in this video we will end here. Thanks for watching this video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.